Hi, my name is Rachel Devine, and this video is about what is my purpose in life. It's a step-by-step guide to help you discover your purpose. We were all created for some purpose, and discovering your purpose would be a really fulfilling and joyful thing to have in your life. So there are 7 steps to finding your purpose in life. Let's dive right in, and I'm going to go through each step separately. So number 1, focus on yourself. In order to get in touch with your purpose, you need to get in touch with yourself. Most of us live our life in a frenzy state, jumping from one task to another with the pressures of working, taking care of family, and all the extra activities that go with the family. Even as a single person, your life can be just as active and hectic. When we go from one day to the next in a mundane routine, there really is no time for growth and focus. Take time to put focus on you. Sit back and journal on what you want in life and what your talents are and bring these two together. It's so important to take time for yourself, especially if most of your time is at work or taking care of a family. Sitting down and contemplating who you are and what you want to do is imperative to finding your bliss. Take some time for yourself. You deserve it. Sit back and ask yourself this very important question: what do I want in life? You might want to write that down. What do I want in life? Number 2, I can do it. Before we even begin, self doubt will creep in with voices from our past telling us we're not good enough. We can never achieve our purpose in life, or we don't have the talents. These voices in our head are telling us lies, and it's time to recognize these lies and call them out into the open. We are only as sick as our secrets, so getting in touch with that inner voice that whispers our so called inadequacies and bringing them to light will help diminish their power over us. When I started writing years ago, I was also plagued with self-doubt. The way I overcame it was by just doing what I wanted to do, which was to write. I ignored the voices in my head that told me I was not good enough. It took years for me to feel confident with my writing, but like anything else in life, practice makes perfect. Focus on your talents and your strengths and try to relinquish self doubt. Say often the affirmation, I can do it. This affirmation will start to resonate with your actions. The one thing self doubt will do is talk you out of your purpose before you even begin. So be aware of that and just try to fight it off. Step number 3, what do you love doing? Whatever you love doing in life, that is your purpose. As I stated in the last step, I love writing, but it took me years to recognize this love because I was so wrapped up in taking care of my 2 sons. It's important to sit down and write out these questions. When you can answer these questions, therein will be your purpose in life, the reason you were created. Take some time to contemplate or meditate on these 3 questions. And again, you might want to write these down. What do I love doing? What do I love doing? What makes me happy? What makes me happy? And what gives me passion? What gives me passion? Once you write these questions and answer them, your purpose should surface. If it doesn't, give it some more time. It could take a few days or weeks, and then out of the blue, your purpose is revealed. However, your purpose is something you love doing that will help humanity in some way. That's your purpose in life. So, number 4, helping humanity. Whatever you love doing that you determine is your life's purpose, it has to align with helping humanity in some way. It has to give to the world. Your purpose has to benefit the earth or people or something on those lines. Here are a few examples of a purpose in life that helps humanity in some way. A Little League coach, singing in a nursing home, bringing food to the poor, writing, art, playing piano for sick children in a hospital, creating a website that invokes peace in the world, creating videos that help people in some way, yoga studio, exercise video or classes, creating gift baskets, a life coach, create a website that helps people in some way. These are some examples of following your bliss that gives to the world and helps people. Your purpose is unique, and only you will be able to uncover this wonderful way you will use your talents to be on purpose in life. Number 5, purpose over money. When you start out by helping people and put that emphasis on your purpose, the money will flow in. Many people make the mistake by focus on how much money they can make without emphasis on their purpose. However, putting the focus on your purpose over money is important because you're giving out abundant energy into the world, and in doing so, abundance will flow back. That's the law of attraction. So keep the focus on purpose and not on what money you will generate. In time, the money will come, but the fulfillment comes from helping others. Additionally, you may be just looking for a voluntary purpose where you don't make any money. Of course, the choice is up to you. Number 6, visualize it. Once you know what your purpose is and you start to gravitate towards making it a reality, you want to visualize a successful outcome. Just sit and imagine how wonderful it would feel if you wrote a book or you became a life coach. Sit and feel the feelings of how rewarding that would be as you close your eyes and visualize a positive outcome with your purpose. You are using the power of positive thinking to help your dream come to fruition. Just sit and visualize a positive outcome and resonate with the feelings of how it feels to be successful in your chosen purpose. This will help you manifest it faster. It's even better if you do this um, before you go to sleep at night. Just resonate with the feelings of what your purpose is and how you feel when you're going to achieve it. And you'll resonate with those feelings for 8 hours before you go to sleep. And it'll be really helpful in your visualization and positive outcome. Number 7, gratitude. In positive psychology research, gratitude is consistently associated with happiness. Gratitude helps people feel more positive emotions, relish good experiences, improve their health, deal with adversity, and build strong relationships. I would suggest writing a gratitude list daily of 5 things you're grateful for, or making a mental note of 5 things you're grateful for when you go to bed at night. Being grateful keeps the positive energy flowing. Oops, my cat. Being positive keeps the positive energy flowing and keeps us from complaining or being caught up in negative thinking. So there you have it, the 7 steps to finding your purpose in life. In conclusion, I want to put emphasis on the importance of doing all these steps to find your purpose. And just a footnote on what it feels like to live a life of bliss. When I'm on purpose, I lose all sense of self and find myself in a wonderful world of total bliss. When I'm writing, I feel like the hand of God is guiding me, and I lose all sense of ego, relishing in God's glorious love and grace. It's an amazing feeling of being in the zone, and it can only be felt by experiencing it for yourself. So I wish you much joy, peace, and success as you travel this road of discovering the reason you were created. So again, my name is Rachel Devine. I wrote a book called The Third Road, Your Secret Journey Home. And the book is about discovering the power of that's within us, the power of God that's within us. And it also has a whole chapter on how you can get in touch with your purpose in life. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. That would really help me out. And what is your purpose in life? Put that in the comments. I would love to hear from you if you have discovered your purpose in life with this video, or if you just have any ideas about that. Wishing you joy and fulfillment.